I've had to turn the flash on this camera because it just refuses to focus. Anyway, so I'll show you some of the what kind of match I got on the different bands. First, 6 meters. I generally don't work CW on 6. I generally only work phones, so that was my target frequency. And we'll see what kind of match I got there. Ooh. 1.25 to 1. On 10 meters, .1 to 1. On 15 meters, .1 to 1. On 20 meters, I generally, I'm a QRPer, so 60 kc up was the target frequency for me on each band. So anyway, 1.1 to 1 on 20 meters. On every band I have 1.1 to 1 except for 50, I believe it was, right? Where it was 1.2 to 1. Yep. I may hook the antenna up to the analyzer to show you what kind of bandwidth it has, but it's typical. Nothing different there. Thanks for watching.